Hello friends, welcome to my channel Still Tanjore Art. In today's video, we are going to see how the muck preparation that we made in our previous video. So just cut the tip of the cone. Okay, and basically the size of the cone should be only a pin size. Okay, only the pin should enter inside. So it has to be that thin. And then when you pinch it, you can see it's a very small thin layer, it's coming out. So now I'm going to apply this thick muck on my design and I'm going to see how it is working. Okay. Now I'm going to show the another section. Okay. So if in case you make any mistake, you don't get worried about it. You can simply remove that one particular straight line and then you can start continuing it. So don't get panic whenever you make any mistake. It's fine. Everybody make mistakes. And as you practice more and more, you will be perfect. You can notice something. I am making this Tanjore painting out of a cloth canvas board. This canvas is mainly used for acrylic paintings. Yeah, now I'm going to show you how to make the design around these circular stones. Please follow the same pattern.